Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, GMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss module first. Now, in this lecture we will discuss module second, topic classical theory of diamagnetism. In diamagnetism is the occurrence of negative susceptibility. Magnetization is the such substance is antiparallel to applied field. The negative susceptibility is carrier due to the fact when magnetic flux. Consider an electron revolving around the center of nucleus of mass, that is m is equal to mass of electron. Electron be the charge, r be the radius of circle orbit in the absence of external magnetic field. The centripetal force acting on nucleus is F is equal to mv square upon r, but v square is equal to omega square up into r square. That is, put this value in this equation. F is equal to m omega square upon r into r upon r, that is F is equal to mv square upon r into r square. This will be the equation number first. When magnetic field applied along z axis and perpendicular to the xy plane, an additional force acting an electron, this is Lorentz force denoted by Fl. It is acting away from nucleus, that is Fl is equal to minus E in bracket V into B bracket complete. V is equal to r omega, that is Fl is equal to minus E bracket r omega B bracket complete. Fl is equal to minus E r omega B. This will be the equation number second, where B is perpendicular to the r, that is B is perpendicular to the r. This force is given change in angular velocity and frequency of electron from omega 0 to omega. In the resultant force acting on the electron is Fr minus E B r omega is equal to m omega square r. Substituting this value in equation first, that is this equation. Fr is equal to m omega square r plus E B r omega. This will be the equation number second. Third, m omega square into r is equal to m omega square r plus E B r omega. Dividing above equation by omega square is equal to omega square plus EB upon m into omega, that is omega square plus EB upon m omega minus omega square is equal to 0. That is, this omega square gives this side, that is minus omega square. This quadratic equation in omega, solution of the above equation is omega is equal to plus minus bracket EB upon 2m bracket square plus omega 0 bracket complete raised to 1/2 minus EB upon 2m, but omega 0 is less than or less than EB upon 2m, then omega is equal to plus minus omega 0 minus EB upon 2m, that is omega is equal to plus minus omega 0 minus WL, that is WL is equal to EB upon 2m, that is this EB upon 2m is equal to omega. Now, significance of plus minus omega 0 is that those electrons whose orbital movement parallel to the magnetic field slow down by omega L. Those electrons whose orbital movement anti-parallel to the magnetic field speed up by omega L. The change in frequency of motion of electron due to the applied magnetic field gives rise to the magnetization due to the change in frequency omega L. The current due to the each electron is I is equal to change of electron into resolving of electron per unit time. That is I is equal to E into WL upon 2 pi. Put this value of WL. I is equal to minus E into E square B upon 2m into 1 upon 2 pi. Now I is equal to minus E square into B upon 4 pi m. This will be the equation number 4. If each atom consists of current due to the second direction, the I is equal to minus Z E square B upon 4 pi m. Now the magnetic moment mu is equal to I into A is equal to minus A Z E square B upon 4 pi m. That is, put this I value in this equation, where A is the area of circular orbit, that is this A is equal to pi E square, that is mu is equal to Z minus Z E square B upon 4 pi m into pi rho square. This will be the equation number 5. Rho square is also projection of mean square radius of orbit and plane perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. Rho square is equal to x square plus y square, but the nucleus is r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. The nucleus has spherical symmetry, means spherical change distribution. Then rho square is equal to 2 by 3 r square. Put this value in this above 5 equation. Mu is equal to Z E square B upon 4 pi m into pi 2 by 3 r square, that is equal to Z E minus Z E square B r square upon 6m. Now the magnetization M is equal to mu n is equal to number of atom per unit volume of substance, that is psi can be written as psi is equal to m upon h is equal to minus n Z E square B r square upon 6m upon h, that is equal to minus Z E square n r square mu 0 upon 6m. Mu 0 is equal to B by h, that is this B by h. This classical equation for susceptibility of the diamagnetic substance, it is clear that diamagnetic susceptibility is directly proportional to n. Also r is size of atom. It means that electron is outermost orbit have largest quantization of diamagnetic susceptibility of substance. In short, diamagnetic is due to the electron in the outermost orbit of an atom and size of atom. Now in this lecture we will discuss classical theory of diamagnetism. Thank you so much.